Okay, there's my emotional support system right there. Working hard. Man, thought you got IKEA furniture. No, man, these are no IKEA directions. Look at these things. Some assembly required, man. Better cue the time lapse. We're going to be here a while. Morning, Fire Fam. I know what you're thinking. What? Is this a normal day? No.
Every day is a normal day, time. No day is not normal day. The world's not normal.
What's a normal day, dear?
Sun is shining.
And the weather?
The weather is good.
That's not how it goes.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
While she's ironing the tie. No, this is not a normal day because someone's getting a special delivery today. After 12, which means we have to be home. Why, dear? You want to? I'll let you share. Go, dear. Tell him. No, you tell him.
You're not going to get to see me, but I will say, oh, you're getting a special delivery today. What if they don't come with?
Then it's a normal day. Anyway, yeah, Quartz has decided to bestow upon us a delivery. Remember that episode, just the other day, if you had the pleasure? Sonia got some stuff from Sonia's second favorite store. A lot of S's this morning. Yeah, they're going to be delivering it today. And the fun part is, apparently some assembly is required.
The girl, the lady want us to assembly, so you got to pay to assembly. Yes and no. And I said, no, you got to have a project to do. Then you won't get bored. Every day complain saying you need a job. You left the state, come down here, and then now you need a job. I don't know what kind of person this left and say they have a good job up at state and then they come down here and then say, oh, I need something to do, I'm bored, I need a job. I'm going to Mother's. I'm going over to Marvin. I'm going here, I'm going there, look a job. Because I'm bored.
Sonia's not had her coffee or tea this morning, as you can tell, but we're just making the best of it. So yeah, we're gonna.
They said you're bored. And you have a good job in the state, good teaching job in nobody do anymore because the business teacher leave. There's no more business finance teacher leave.
But Sonia's gonna put my business out there.
Business, I job. Kudos to you.
Look at you now, dear, top of the world.
No, I'm not.
Keep swinging. You'll hit the stars one day. So we're gonna get someone up to school, hopefully, finish our coffee and get to Highgate and back, and then bring you with for the assembly journey, because I know Sonia's super excited. That's the face of excitement right there.
Yep.
Dave, go to school. Nice. We were just having a brief conversation. My wife starts making up words.
No,
what is this?
Epaulet is one of them swamp on your shirt.
Epaulet?
Oh my god.
Epaulet.
Go look you up, Ty.
Okay, Google. What is an epaulet?
Here's the definition of epaulet: an ornamental shoulder piece on an item of clothing.
Wow. Wow. Today I was this year's old when Sonia, I thought, made up a word called epaulet, but I guess it's a real word. Thanks, Google, for siding with the Sonia. Epaulet. Epaulets?
Because TT them wear arm. The epaulet on the toe shoulder.
The epaulet?
Yes.
Epaulet.
The silk continuous.
Epaulet's a word. Cool. Sonia's talking about fish in the sea.
That's what they said.
That's what you see.
When they say the sky look like that, they say a lot of fish in the sea.
Sky looks like this. There's a lot of fish in the sea. Explain that one, dear.
I don't know.
Where did you get that amazing statement from?
The good Lord up above.
I don't think that was what he said, but
Sure.
cool.
You hear that saying already, Dave? Just answer. Don't you hear that saying already? When the sky is like that, there's a lot of fish in the sea. You know which fish? They think it to them. Then call is Pratt. Or Erin's Pratt. What, Tyler?
Just enjoying the show, dear. That's all. We're gonna go to school now. Dave, you ready?
What time is it?
He's thrilled. Let's do this. You gotta wave. Oh no, he's coming back. Seriously? Go to school.
Bye.
Wow. Bye. Take my comb, sir. Wow. You created a monster. You ready to start the day?
I don't know what I'm going to go do.
Life.
At the turkey they can't cook and eat with bread.
Sounds
Or fry
exciting.
plantain.
Ooh, who knows? Stick around, you might find out. Wow, that's my wife. Anyway, what she's trying to say is I have my first independent solo mission of laundry. Right? Something tells me she'll be down in just a minute, but we're gonna try this. I think we know what we're doing. Let's check it out. Laundry, here we go. All right, look at that. Live POV shot. Going down. Ooh. Hello, kitty. And the sky is still going. Oh, oh, oh. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. That's right. We're contributing today. Oy. Made it. Whew. Nothing says trust in a relationship when the wife says, go put in laundry for us. And all by yourself. You do. Soap's in. Oh, careful. Careful. Yeah, look. She's not even here. She trusts me to do this all by myself now. Power. Water level. There it goes. Okay, the laundry's handling itself. We might as well give you guys a farm update. It's been a week. Let's see where things are at. I see a tomato going. Cool. Our big tomato still going. Nice. All right, time to check the rest of the world. Whew. Check out these tomatoes. Got them. Oh, that's me. How you doing? What's up, ginormous tomato plants? All nicely staked. Oh, I'm going in. See you on the other side. Whew. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Well, tomato plants anyway. Still waiting for the big tomato bud. Look at that. Hot choy popping out like it's going out of style. Nice. Rosemary, how you doing? Scallions, look at that lettuce back there. Still going strong. Callaloo coming in. Alright, I see you. Check this guy out, man. Yep, the callaloo's coming in thick, dude. Nice. Nice. More pop choy. Pepper's starting to come up. Speaking of peppers, you know I gotta go check out my favorite peppers. See how they're doing. Okay, check them out. Look at the size of those leaves. Nice. Hello, leaves. Okay, pepper. 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 Oh. How you doing? Starting to flower already. I see you. Cool. Next to your pepper friend. And your other flowering friend. And more peppers. And more peppers. Oh, here it comes. Check this out. I do see some flowering going on around here. Yeah, the peppers are coming in nicely. Some people say, oh, you should pinch the first few peppers off so the plant can grow, but to that I say, we're just gonna see what happens. Yep. Cool. Hello. Alright. Nice. Right. All in all, I'd say the farm is coming along. Whew. Let's go see what Sonia's up to. I want to give you guys a live POV of breakfast with Tyler and Sonia. Sonia. Yep. This is the exciting breakfast that you always wondered, what is breakfast like at your guys' house? Check it out. Yep. Super exciting times, just waiting for that quartz delivery to come by.
Okay.
All right. Good talk, dear. Yeah, that would not be great. So, we're going to eat up and get out of here and see where the day takes us. Ready, dear?
Ready? Let's see, I got it closed. Put it in the washer for the pot.
That's the face of excitement right there. Almost forgot. We got the... Anyway, boiled plantains versus fried plantains. What do you prefer? Me, personally, I like the boiled ripe ones my best. Sonia, on the other hand, loves to fry the universe. So she's a fried plantain kind of gal.
I'm not a girl, a woman, not a girl. I don't want to get to find something about girl. I'm not a girl.
It's
kind of like you're saying girl, gallon, whatever.
What?
No.
Gallon?
Hey Siri.
Oh boy.
She's
gone to the enemy.
Hey Siri, what is milk of magnesia?
Milk of magnesia. Even Siri's like...
Good morning. One sec. Good morning. I'm having trouble.
Oh, Siri. Fail. Almost forgot. What are we having with the plantains, you ask? One of Sonia's delicacies. Curry turkey neck. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did not grow up eating we ate the rest of the turkey, but the neck is pretty fantastic as long as you figure out how best to eat it. You want to give us a live demonstration, dear?
There's a big outside with that bubbling.
Is it quartz?
Yeah.
That's right. You see this? That's what happens when you say, honey, I'm gonna help, and she runs off without you. She's like, I'll show you. I'm gonna get to the laundry before you do. Ha! It's still running, dear. I can hear it. Yeah, look at your tomato. I don't know what happened, dear, but that big one's still hiding behind it. You can see the little red one coming in over here. Sonia and her tomatoes. She's like, but what do I do now? I didn't even stake them. Right? Well, it was hiding the good one. Lovely. Yeah, we tried. I don't know, there's something therapeutic about watching this go around and around. Oh, slowing down. We're gonna make it. Honey. That's a phase of positivity right there.
Why are you excited about it, Watcher?
Because it's slowing down. You know how long that thing's been spinning? I don't even know why we hang up the clothes. That thing's been spinning for so long, they're practically dry already.
Yeah, wanna go in your drawer then?
Put them in your drawer.
No, not in mine. Put yours in your drawer.
It even makes a fun song. Honey, it's your song.
That's yours.
Cool. Yeah, we got the official inspector here. Did I push the button correctly?
I know me,
Let's go hang out some clothes. All right, dear, what do I do? Just hand you the clothes and you put it on the line? Stand here and sweat, I guess. That's how watch here. Yep, one at a time. Here we go. Shirt. Got it. Doing it. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. You got this. Oh yeah, don't let that she's ahead of you fool you. 10 o'clock, huh? It's now turned into 10:30. We're side by side, strength in arms, ready to tackle the Highgate. Actually, I'm going for pizza. She just happens to be with to pick up a few things. Yeah, I'll air quote it. I just air quoted, you missed it. That's not an air quote. Anyway, nice cool breeze today. So let's go find whatever it is you're looking for.
I don't know where Alfred. He said he'll make teriyaki chicken.
That's not what I said there.
He said he's gonna make
chicken karaage.
chicken
Classic.
karaage.
Classic. We
For
just
the
gotta.
Kami, because Kami makes chicken
I know,
karaage.
Kami. If you know, you know. Some Japanese style chicken. You can find the ingredients.
I'm gonna make Kami chicken karaage. Good luck if you find the Highgate though. I hope so.
Just love that positivity. That's the
Yeah.
face of positivity right there. Let's do this. Okay, supposedly the ATM works. What do you think?
Maybe. We'll see.
That's that confidence we know and love. Cross your fingers. Okay, pizza's been ordered. Now we just gotta survive shopping with Sonia. And away she goes. Washing my sausages, dear. Hot and spicy. Oh, got it. You're making a mess, dear.
I took it up.
That's the spirit. I know what you. How'd they get to a new store so quickly? I got her out, man. Searching for your mixed parts. Yes. It's boneless mixed parts. Anyway, time to go where no man has gone before. The laundry section. Sweet. It's all powdered here. Alright, laundry. What do you want? What's hidden behind door number 7? Delicate wash? Sweet rain? For fine fabrics and baby clothes. I don't think I own any fine fabrics. You want to try that? You sure? Okay. We got this. Does it smell like laundry soap?
Like baby soap. Whatever.
Great. Yes, cornstarch. We're gonna make it. Yeah, we're having chicken tonight. Although I think my pizza's getting cold, dear. We should probably get going. Yeah. I mean, we can get bread tomorrow. Look at that, she's checking out and still shopping. That's impressive, dear.
I'm looking for you, whatever you want.
No, I want to go get my cold pizza. Cruising across the street. Sonia picking up some ginger. Because we having chicken. Pick your ginger, dear. Your ginger. Okay, Sonia's made me handle the important stuff. Gotta get this pizza home in one piece. Honey? I got the 2Ds. Thank you very much. We're having pizza for lunch. And she's thrilled. Let's find a taxi and get out of here. Okay, we did it. We're on our way back. Pizza's still in one piece. Sonia's still in one piece.
And Tyler's still in 2 pieces.
And we're gonna get some lunch and wait for Quartz to come by. You ready?
Yeah, so you need to call Peter.
Oh yeah, that's you. Sweet. Okay, while Sleeping Beauty gets her beauty rest, we're gonna have chicken karaage in honor of the Kami. Yeah, that's right. We got garlic, we got ginger, we got garlic, we got chicken, couldn't find any sake anywhere in Highgate, but whatever, we'll have to do without. We got soy sauce, we got some sugar. What's the worst that could happen? Here we go. Okay, so the recipe says to leave the skin on the chicken. My wife, she takes precedence over the recipe and she says to take off the skin. So we're gonna take off the skin. Got my ginger, got my garlic. Time to chop some chicken. We don't have any sake, so that's gonna have to work. Tablespoon. Close enough. Bring on the chicken, here we go. Okay, we got the chicken cubed and cut up and mostly skinned. Time to add the sugar, the soy sauce, and then we're marinated. Cool. Nice. Okay, got all the ingredients together in the bowl. Time to mix it, and then we just let it sit. All right, let the marinade begin, man. See you on the other side. Okay, truck is here. Quartz delivery. Here we go. Sweet. And no longer do we just sit down to admire the boxes. And already Sonia says,
yeah, this has significance of that in a different shape.
What?
Or just only one shape you can see.
What kind of TV shows do you watch? You think it's like a...
But see at one stand where we did like the US when we did in a Tucson.
You could put it on its end or you could put it on its side. No, dear, this is a one size fits all. Make it look like the picture TV stand.
I think what TV stand now, I'm sitting when you go pick up where the behind the couch, where the back of the couch you can put stuff on or whatever. You go pick up one time, here we go. Well, they show you other TV stand in the one. Say, oh, it's too far, it's not block the window. No, they're not block the window, and just put it right there. Right there, right at that spot here, right there. No, you got to pick up film one thing. You know, listen to me, you know,
You good? Feel better? I'm glad you got that off your chest.
yeah, lucky thing, somebody got
Lucky thing!
one thing on the like, one.
Oh, yeah. We'll find out. Here we go. Okay, there's my emotional support system right there. Working hard. Man, thought you got IKEA furniture. No, man, these are no IKEA directions. Look at these things. Some assembly required, man. Better cue the time lapse. We're gonna be here a while. You ready?
You're gonna be here a while. They told me to assembly for you. I said, no, you assembly yourself.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Yeah,
My wife's amazing memories. Like, hey, they said they'd build it for you. For a nice fee, dear. We got this. We can. Confidence. Time lapse. Here we go. Right, I know what you're thinking. Man, you made some progress on this thing. Well, sad news is, those pieces right there, all said and done, that's picture number 1. Whew. Let's say it looks like the picture. Time to go on to picture number 2. Yay. Here we go. Okay, according to my directions here, and bear witness, apparently we gotta add some wheels. So, space them out, and here we go. Well, we got wheels, but more importantly, we are humbled and kind of embarrassed, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Yeah, this is how you know your hands have gotten a little soft. I'm only on step 2, and we're already getting a nice little blister, but guess what? It's worth it. But this thing's got wheels, and it moves. Not sure how stoked I am about that, but the journey continues. All right, good news. We made it to level 2. Whew, still looks like the picture. Let's see. Okay, on to level 3. Moving up in the world. Here we go. Thanks, dear. Way to support.
I'm just here sitting watching what you're doing. Now you can't look for me.
We all have our strengths. Yes, you're doing great, dear.
You don't want to help me anyway. I got pull the clothes and put them away.
Okay.
And I'm sitting down.
You're the filmmaker. You gotta.
So I gotta turn you off there?
You gotta turn it, dear.
Oh man.
It's this magical moment. Did you turn it?
Wait. Here. No, this is Tyler fixing up the shelf for the TV. Still going at it. Not too bad so far. Although I make one mistake and have to fix again. Huh?
Appreciate the positivity. Right?
Yeah, it's a positivity. So it's a positivity, okay? It's not. I'm paying attention to you, what you're doing. Yes, you're doing the work. I'm sitting here watching you. Go at it. Perfect. Uh-oh. Don't broke it. Uh-oh. Don't broke it. Uh-oh. So you don't have to screw in it after?
Sometimes it's the little things in life, dear.
Can't see it.
Well, you're filming. Shot.
Well, you're standing now. If you're standing always.
You're doing great.
Look up there.
You're doing great. Okay, that's number 3. Let's see if it looks like the picture.
Let me see. You look like the picture.
So far, it's getting there.
Let me see.
I gotta get those top pieces on, but
So this.
oh boy, this could take a minute. So what you're really trying to say is, looks great. Okay, moment of truth. Made it to number 5. Let's see if we can get the top piece on in one piece. Ready, dear? That's the face of positivity right there. Okay, well, here we go. You ready? Camera's set up.
You have anything up there? Can't eat. We don't have anything down here. Before.
All right, we are in the second half, man. We made it to step, I think, number 6. Here's number 5. Here's the picture. Hooray! Good job, dear. You're doing great.
Yes, I am, of course.
Here we go. So there we were, almost done, ready to go. And Craig shows up and he's like, hey, I want to help. And he's like, I want all the glory. The TV stand's just about ready to go. We just got to put the back pieces on. Unfortunately, I don't have a hammer, so that might have to wait till tomorrow. But what Craig doesn't know is we have to put on these. I just dropped them all over the floor. Craig, you're not helping. So we got white ones and we got brown ones. Where do you think these go, Craig?
Take the white one from this.
Yeah, but they're circles. So where do you think they go? I don't know. Open it up. See. Do you see a spot for circles? You don't see a spot for circles. Okay, so Avery, you get the white ones. How come Craig gets the white ones? That's a... Wow, Craig, that is not a slow closed door, sir. Unbelievable. Anyway, the white ones are for you. Wait, do you want me to have the white ones and you get the brown ones? Wow, how come I have to have the white ones?
White.
Wow. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. Good job, Craig. Let's get to work. All right, you guys get the honors. Craig, don't drop the TV. You can do this. Yeah, there's wheels under that thing. Careful. Careful. Oh. Oh. Hey, hey. Yeah, man, move it back. It's got wheels. Careful. It's got an angle. Craig, we sit against the couch. How's that gonna work? Craig, pull out your side. Oh boy. So, let's try this perspective here. I think you need to angle it, dear. You tell me, dear, this is... What do you think? Look at that face of positivity right there. Finally, a TV stand. Cool. Okay, moment of truth. You ready, dear? I don't know, I think that looks pretty good.
You look pretty today.
It looks pretty today? I don't know. You think it looks better in the light or in the dark?
What?
What? Dave's new haircut, obviously. Or the TV stand. Or both. We could get them both in the same... Whoa. Cool. I think it's gonna work. Ready for dinner? I'll take that as a yes. Here we go. Okay, chicken's been marinating for a few hours now. Let's check it out. Honey, you ready? It's the face of excitement right there. Ooh, looks like marinated chicken. Time to fry these bad boys up. Okay, as we finish frying up the last few pieces, special shout out to Kauai Juice Co. I used to work back in Kauai. I'm going to use their smoke sauce today. Brought it with, haven't used it yet, but I definitely need a dipping sauce for our chicken today. Made on Kauai. Cool. Sonia's thrilled. It'll be good. What's the worst that could happen? Ingredient, this is their smoke sauce. Smoked tomatoes, smoked jalapenos, fermented Hawaiian chili peppers, carrots, garlic, sweet onion, Worcestershire, apple cider vinegar, coconut crystals, and Hawaiian sea salt? Psh, how could you go wrong? Let's try it out. My little sample. Here we go. Why? Thank you. Still got it. Time to eat. Alright, Son. Moment of truth. Honest opinion. I know, the suspense is killing me. She's eating around the chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to hold off the inevitable. You can do it, dear. Just go for it. One big old bite. Because it would show how much you appreciate I cooked a meal for you tonight.
I help you cooking.
That's why you should try it. Come on, dear, you can do it. Oh? Oh? Oh, did you hear that crunch? I heard that crunch from here. Man. Oh, the suspense. Just going back in for another bite. I don't know. I think we might have to call this a success. Huh? Huh? Ooh, licking your fingers? What? She's gonna respond by just keep eating. Okay. Calling this one a success. Chicken Karage 1, Sonia 75. Enjoy your meal, dear. Sweet. I know what you're thinking. What? You guys are having a romantic dinner together, just the two of you? See, this is a strategic placement for my seating because it looks like my wife's looking at me. See that? Yeah? See that amazing eye contact? But she's not really looking at me, you know why? Because behind me, there's that right there. Yeah, that thing. Nice and bright. And guess who's playing it? Those ones over there. We tried. Happy evening, dear. Sweet. All right, after a nice shower, I know what you're thinking. How could this day get any better? You've accomplished so much. Well, the good news is Dave worked on prime factorization today and didn't get any homework. So that means if he wants to earn his allowance, I get to provide him a prime sheet. And look how happy he is about that. He's super excited. Yay, prime factorization. On the two side. Give me the paper. No. It's super easy. Except I gotta print the second half. I have to print the other side. For the other side. There's only 9 problems. It's super easy. It'll take you no time. Make sure. Oh, okay. Goodbye, Dave. Into the abyss he goes. How could this day get any better? Dave, I know you're trying to scare me. Watch this. Yeah, you better run. Yeah. And I'm not gonna lie, it smells pretty fantastic. We're gonna have to try it. Here goes. Okay, moment of truth. I'm not gonna lie, man, that's pretty good. We might have a new contender here. This one? I think I like this one better.
Coffee?
Yeah. It's just coffee.
You can't get so it tastes better on the chicken.
Careful, it's hot.
Smoother.
Honey, I cannot reveal all my secrets. Ah, you can't win them all.